Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khan and I usually talk about citizenship by investment programs, residency by investment programs. Today let's talk about top 8 countries who offer passive income visas. And there is no age limit basically because it's not like the retirement visas, because in retirement visas you have to be like 40 years of age or 50 years of age or 55 years. So then you get that visa when you receive a pension. But right now for the passive income visas you don't need to have a certain age actually. So let's talk about these top 8 countries. Some of them are located in Europe and some of them in South America, but these residencies will actually lead to permanent residency and citizenship if you get the passive income visa of these countries. It is not like a digital nomad visa, it is not like a freelance visa, it is not like an investment visa. These visas are basically passive income visas. And what is passive income? Let me tell you that first. Passive income is a type of income that you receive from assets or from some investments, right? It's not active income because there are two types of income. Active income is something like you do a job on a regular basis or you do a business on a regular basis, or even if you are a freelancer and if you are working online, that is also active income that cannot be counted as passive income. Some examples of passive income are like you have a property, a real estate, and you give it on rent. Maybe you have multiple properties, maybe it is commercial or maybe it is residential, whatever, but you are receiving an income from your real estate. That is called passive income because you don't have to do anything for that. This is your property and you just get an income from it. So whether you are sleeping or whether you are not working, you are on holiday, in all cases you will regularly receive that income from your real estate property. So this is one example. Now second example might be like you have bought some shares of a company and now you are getting income as a dividends. So you don't need to work because you already have invested, that investment is there and you are just receiving the dividends. That is also called passive income. The third example would be like you put some money in the bank and you get interest on that income, which is called like a fixed deposit in the banks, right? If you are receiving that income, it is also a passive income. So this kind of incomes will qualify for the passive income visa. So let's jump into the top 8 countries. The first country is Portugal, that is located in Europe, and basically Portugal has passive income visa which is called D7 visa, and basically this D7 visa is one of the easiest residency visas in European Union because the income requirement is very low. You need to receive just 870 euros a month passive income into your account, and you should have documentary evidence for that, like some agreement or something, to show to the embassy or consulate in your country, and then you are eligible to apply for D7 visa. All other documents I will tell you later on, like what documents you need to submit, because all of the documents are similar for all of these countries, right? So Portugal has the D7 visa. For a single applicant, the requirement is 870 euros, but if you have a spouse, then 50% you have to add more, and if you have other dependents like your children, you have to add 30% more. So then you can calculate how much you need to qualify for D7 visa. Second number is for Spain, because Spain has a non-lucrative visa that is called passive income visa for Spain. The requirement is a little bit higher, but Spain is one of the best countries in Europe in my opinion, so you can go for it. You need to show 2,300 euros a month income, passive income, for a single applicant if you want to qualify. If you have more people like your spouse and children, then you have to add 600 euros for each. And actually this amount you should receive monthly, but you must have a saving for at least 1 year for the first year to live in Spain or Portugal. For both countries you need to have like 12 months income in your bank account. Like for example, in Portugal it is like 900 euros, but you should have like 12,000 euros in your bank as a saving amount, so they can see you can survive in Portugal for 1 year. Okay, let's come to the third country. The third is Italy. Italy has a visa called elective visa. It is also a passive income visa, but they have like higher requirement. You need more than 3,000 euros a month to receive that income, and then you can apply for Italy's elective visa. that is a passive income visa. But if you have more people you want to include in the application, then you have to add like 5 to 600 euros more for that person to qualify for Italy's elective visa. The fourth country is Cyprus. We just need 2,000 euros a month passive income. If you receive that income, you can apply for Cyprus and you can include your family as well. The fifth country is Greece. That is again a European Union and Schengen member, but the requirement is 2,400 euros a month. You need to show that passive income in order to be eligible for Greece passive income visa. And if you have children, then you have to add 300 euros per child or your spouse, and then you will be eligible to apply with your family for this visa. Guys, the sixth number is in South America, Argentina. But the good thing about Argentina is that you just need to show a passive income of 2,000 US dollars for the whole family. You don't need to show more if you have like children and spouse. So for all of them, you can just show 2,000 a month, and then you will be eligible to get the Rentista visa. That is called a Rentista visa in Argentina, and it leads all of these countries. The residency, initially you get a temporary residency. It will lead to permanent residency after 5 years, and then to citizenship according to that country's laws. Okay, now the seventh number is Mexico. Mexico's requirement is a little bit higher. Like it requires 3,500 euros a month for a single applicant to be eligible to apply for the visa in Mexico. That is a passive income visa. But still, if you are receiving that much of amount from dividends or from real estate income, then still you can qualify. And why not? You can just try out that. The last option in my list for today is Costa Rica. It is a Central American country located near Panama. So Costa Rica is good because the requirement is just 900 US dollars a month. If you are receiving just 900 USD as a passive income in your account, then you can apply for Costa Rica as well. And Costa Rica has a very good stable government, stable economy, and it is a naturally beautiful paradise in South America, and actually located in Central America to be more accurate, right? Now, what are the required documents? Basically, all of these countries will require you some basic documents like your passport, criminal record certificate from your country, and it should be apostilled or attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of that country, and other basic documents for your family like marriage certificate and birth certificate, and it should also be apostille. And most of these countries ask you to provide some rental agreement in that country. For example, if you are applying for Spain visa, you have to get a rental contract from Spain because they want to see where you will live in Spain. So you should have some accommodation arrangement in advance, and also they want to see travel insurance or medical insurance for at least 1 year. But I will suggest you to go to the website of that country and check the information for that visa. They will provide you the list of the documents, so then you can prepare those documents and apply at the embassy or consulate in your country, because you have to apply in your country before coming to apply for residency in Spain, Portugal or Greece, because you cannot just go on a visit visa and then apply for residency. You have to come with a specific visa, right? So you should see the consulate website or VFS website for the documents, the exact list of documents, and then you should prepare those documents and then apply for those visas. So this is it, guys, about passive income visas. I think these are the best countries to apply for such visa. And retirement visas are different, right? So I will make another video about retirement visas. But remember, only people who are 50 years old or more than 50 years can apply for retirement visas, unfortunately, in most countries. But passive income visas, there is no age limit, so anybody can apply. This one I'm talking about, right? So I will share with you the list of retirement visas and also digital nomad visas, or you can say freelancer visa. If you have any question, please put down that in the comment, and I will soon see you with another video. Thanks for watching.